call. Oh, what a... I accidentally went out of practice mode.
What is he playing?
I just got 68 in like 5 seconds! Let's go! I'm so freaking good, bro. I'm about to beat the hardest level in the game.
You try.
Also, say what's up, guys. Since, you know, the video game I tried to do before, my mic wasn't recorded. Say hello.
Hello. This
Hello.
is Beast
You trash.
Shut up! Okay.
I'm joking, alright? It's me, Sergio.
I clicked the black orb. Did you not see that?
I saw that tiny black orb there.
Oh yeah, I forgot to explain, since my mic wasn't recorded today. I'm playing on 60 FPS and I'm making my friends watch me play the game, and also, since I've been getting a lot of lag spikes, I made my friends choose whatever level for me to play that I have in my folder that I'm going to be doing for content, and my friends chose this level. So, that's why I'm doing this. And they're gonna watch me play, and possibly watch me beat this in like 10 minutes.
Probably not 10 minutes, but doing like more talking and less playing.
Can you shut up? I'm trying to play the music.
I don't. What? We are the viewers. What are you talking about?
Oh, 62.
This man is trying to enjoy this. I can sing. Never mind. What? What happened? Okay,
What do you
1, 2,
happen?
3, 4. Remind me that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you. Now, literally past the third try. Fucking damn it. I know what That's the one thing that's not synced. That stupid spider part with the 4 clicks. That's the only thing that's not synced. It's not synced!
Oh, 65. That's
Sadness.
I just realized I was muted this whole time.
Wow.
4 clicks.
4 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4.
See, I keep forgetting, do I jump on the first or the second? It's the second platform. I remember that.
It was good.
I was Did I not do 4 clicks, or did I just did not do hit the
Four clicks.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4.
He's doing it!
There you go. Learning.
You just probably should have.
I said, there you go, you're learning.
I still tell you to shut up. Whatever. I forgot every click of that duel is has to be a gigantic, big fat click.
Oh, 67.
Did I not hold down? I should have held down the button for that one. I think that was flipped.
Oh, 76.
I was
that a-
expecting to die to this because I jumped way too early for some reason.
Never
Yeah.
mind.
I'm
Yeah.
never ready for that transition.
Oh,
I clicked the
77.
wrong time.
Oh.
No! Oh my god! I expected that. Davion, you were literally sounding normal 2 seconds ago.
Alright, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'm just tired.
You're not tired. You were literally sounding normal literally 5 minutes ago.
That was 5 minutes ago.
Someone fucking hit you in the head, I swear.
Shut up.
My god, please. Actually, please. Let this be over.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Hell yeah.
I told you if I pass that part, I was gonna be slower.
GG's.
Only took 81 attempts. Breezy don't care. No care.
Oh.
No.
Level's fun, but it's also boring at the same time. You
Yeah.
died to the same 5 random
That
choke
same
point heavy
5
parts, and it's so
random.
dumb. It's good level though.
Ah,